What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to use the remote start feature on a 2025 Hyundai Palisade. So taking a look at the Palisade's key fob, this button on the bottom, the one that's almost a full circle and says hold on it, that's going to be the remote start button. In order to use the remote start, we'll press the lock button, and then we're going to immediately hold down the remote start button for at least 2 seconds. The Palisade will respond by flashing its lights and starting. The vehicle will run for 10 minutes before automatically turning itself off if we don't get in and drive it. If we want to cancel the remote start before we've gotten in the vehicle, turn the vehicle off, we'll just press the remote start button. Turns the vehicle off. Let's go ahead and remote start it again. Now, unlike some vehicles on the Palisade, once you get in the vehicle, you're ready to drive. You do not need to press the stop start button or anything else. You'll just unlock the vehicle, enter it, and then you're ready to drive. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.